Hello art friends, Melisa here. In today's video, I'll show you how to create this background in 3 easy steps. I'll be using distress inks, a stencil, stamps, and a mop brush. I'll be using one of the TIM HOLTZ Stamp and Stencil sets, the distress sprayer, a mop brush, some distress ink, and I've got squeezed lemonade, picked raspberry, twisted citron, and mermaid lagoon. I've also got some Liquitex gesso, a stamp set by Inkadinkadoo that I got at Michael's. It's called Decorative Doilies, and a stamp set by Red Rubber Designs, and you can get this on Etsy, and I'll be using the little alpha image. I'm working in my 5.5 by 5.5 Arteza art journal. So up next is the tutorial part of the video. I hope you enjoy it. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments section. that's it for today. Thanks so much for stopping by, and if you liked the tutorial, I'd appreciate you hitting the thumbs up button below the video. It really helps and encourages me to keep creating videos. If you're new to my channel and would like to see more crafty projects, then hit the subscribe button and the bell below the video. If you're inspired to create an art journal entry of your own, I'd love to see it. Post it on Instagram and use this hashtag so I can find it. I know it's a long hashtag, but it'll pop up way before you finish typing all of it in. See you next time!